Good afternoon, everybody. Happy New Year. We are 2 weeks into the year and already lots of cooking going down. So if you're not familiar with my channel, my name is Thelindabradley and I represent Princess House. Our company is celebrating 60 years this year, which is an amazing accomplishment. So I love to put together layaways. I am definitely the layaway queen, and I can help you get the products that you love at a price that you can afford. I really enjoy doing this, and so welcome to my layaway package. This is actually one of my favorite ones. It's especially nice if you're starting over, if you just realize that all of your cookware is no good and you just need to start over, or if you have an area of issue in your kitchen. Anyhow, let me just get on with it. I love this piece because it has literally everything that you need. Before I even start, let me tell you that Princess House has a lifetime warranty on all of our cookware. So the fact that our company's been around for 60 years, you know that you can count on us. All of our cookware is made of 1810 construction with a thick disc of aluminum in the bottom. It's the highest quality that you can get. And what that aluminum does is it makes them really thermal. So they cook really strong. You do not need to use high heat. Absolutely not. This is our non-stick cookware. It doesn't have any of the dangerous chemicals, no PFOA. These items can go on any kind of stovetops. They're induction safe as well. They can go in your oven up to 350 degrees with the lid and up to 450 degrees without the lid. Just to give you an idea how strong these pieces are, and especially our non-stick, they come, as I said, with a lifetime warranty, and that includes the non-stick. We also have a special little way for you to hang them. If you like to hang your cookware, the lids fit right over top. So let me show you what you can use and have wonderful food. I have found that when you have good quality products, it makes your foods taste better. I'm not even joking. It makes you enjoy cooking more, and it certainly is easy to clean up. So in this set, I've included everything that I think you need for a basic kitchen, and even a little bit more. So this is a 10-inch skillet. So this is good for like your morning omelet eggs, your lunch area. But then of course, when you need the bigger one, this is a 12-inch skillet. So this is more for your dinner. Maybe you're doing steaks, chicken, pork chops, anything like that. Going into some specialty groups, this is our 13-inch non-stick griddle. And we love this pan because it can be used for so many different things. We call this, you know how they have a little black dress, the LBD? We call this the BLD, breakfast, lunch, dinner. You're never gonna wanna take it off your stove. You can see how big it is. You can use it for 5 pancakes, 5 pieces of French toast. You can use it for your eggs, your potatoes, and your meat all in one. You can also use it for 5 grilled cheese sandwiches. You can use it for pizza, remember, either in the oven or on the stove, anything like that. Love this griddle. Now, if you do a lot of cooking and that one isn't big enough for you, we even have a bigger one that I'm going to show you. And this is a special offer right now. It's not available in the regular catalog. And this is our double burner griddle. So it goes over 2 burners, front to back. And it's really cool because it has that aluminum in the bottom. It still cooks evenly, even in that middle part. So this is gonna cook 8 to 10 pancakes, 8 grilled cheese sandwiches. You can make your fajitas by putting all the vegetables in the middle and the steak on the one side and the chicken on the other. It's an incredible pan that we love to use for so many different things, and it's a part of this set. In addition to that, you're going to need some regular cookware, right, just for your everyday meals. So I have the 3-quart. Now the one that you're going to get is a little bit different. It has a straining lid, which is even nicer because you can strain it right into the sink. You don't even need a colander. So this is the exact same size. It's just going to have a straining lid, and that is called the 3-quart. Then I have included a 4-quart casserole. So this is nice. Today I'm going to make a beef stew, just small for me and my husband. So this is a good size. This is probably for up to 4 people, 4 quarts. And again, when you want to make the larger meals, got to give you the big one. So here is the big baby, and this is a 10-quart stainless steel item. I just took it out of the garage and it's so cold. So this is really big for your larger meals. It's 10 quarts. So it's good for the big stews, seafood boil, anything like that. Couple of bonus offers. I'm going to give you these are the silicone mitts, which makes it super easy to pull things in and out of your oven. We also have this is the spoon and lid rest. It's kind of unique. So on the one hand, you can put the spoons, but on the other side, it's for your lids, right? Isn't that great? Love this piece. Use it all the time. And then some other bonus offers. These are all included in the package. These are the brand new Lock Fresh containers from Princess House. They are guaranteed to keep your foods fresh, and they completely lock, and they are totally leak proof. You can have soup in here upside down, nothing's going to happen. So we have 3 different ones in the round sizes, and then we have 2 different ones in the rectangular sizes. And so this is my package for you. It comes with the 10-inch nonstick, the 12-inch nonstick, the 13-inch nonstick griddle, the double griddle, the 3-quart straining saucepan, the 4-quart casserole, the 10-quart casserole, silicone mitts, the spoon rest and the lid rest, and then the set of the 3 Lock Fresh containers and the set of the 2 rectangular ones. This whole set, if you were to buy everything full price, would cost you over $1,500, but I'm going to save you $680. The whole set, including shipping and tax, is $897.44. So you can pay either one of 2 ways. You can either put a deposit down of $225 and then make 10 payments of $67 each, or you can make 8 payments of $112. What you want to do is reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. This is a Linda Bradley special, and I want to make sure that you can take advantage of it because it is incredible. I do have one bonus offer. If you are interested, you can also take advantage of our brand new red dishes. These are called the Marbella Ruby. You can see how pretty they are. And this is going to be a set of 4 dinner plates, 4 luncheon plates, 4 bowls, and 4 mugs. And you can get that for just $95 as a bonus when you buy this set. So again, just reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to hook you up. Please follow me, subscribe to my channels if you haven't already. And if you like something but it's not in the package, reach out to me. I'll make a package for you. Remember, I'm the layaway queen.